Okay guys, today in Big History Project, we're going to be doing Unit 2.1, How and Why Did Human Understanding of the Universe Change? Ernesto, focus. Awesome. Okay, learning targets. I'll read the first bullet. We are learning the basics of the Big Bang Theory and the primary evidence that supports this theory. Who can read bullet number 2 for me?
We are teaming how to use evidence from text and claim text.
Awesome, thank you, Ernesto. Who can read bullet number 3 for me?
We are deepening our understanding of the views of the universe and how they have changed over time.
Thank you, Cody. And this is the last bullet. This is what we're actually covering today in science. Who can read the last bullet for me?
I'll read it. We are deepening our understanding of the
I already read that.
Nope. Keep
Yeah.
on.
Scientists have played in shaping our understanding of the origin of the universe.
Right. So this is what. Who can refresh my memory? What is an origin story?
The beginning of
Where it
the start of it.
The beginning of the story. Is that what you're gonna say? Absolutely. So today we're gonna be investigating our groups, scientists. Okay. Success criteria. Okay. I can explain the basics of the Big Bang. Okay. Next bullet. Someone please read. Someone that hasn't.
I can explain the common understanding of the views of the universe and how they have changed over time.
Good. How about the next bullet? You can read that one for me. Alexandra, please. Thank you.
I can explain the common understanding of the views of the universe and how they have changed over time.
Good. We just read that one. Try the next one.
Oh,
That's okay.
I can explain the roles that scientists have played in shaping our understanding of the origin of the universe.
Awesome. Who can read bullet number 4 for me?
I can participate appropriately and in a collaborative conversation with my peers.
Good. And the last one.
I can capture information, evidence, and ideas in my notebook in order to make sense of multiple scores.
Awesome. So what I want to do now, I should have done this earlier, is pass out your science notebooks. Okay, so we're going to do a prior knowledge activity that like we've done throughout this school year.
What the?
Oh, let's see. Cameron, come on up.
Where the?
Alexandra, come on up. Grab a pencil too on your way up. Okay, Robert, grab a pencil. Gabe,
Yeah.
grab a pencil. Luis, Cody.
Which one, man?
It has your name on it, sweetie. Ernesto, grab a pencil for me, okay? Thanks, guys.
You're recording that. I'm not.
Okay, everyone grab pencils. So, next
She recorded
slide.
that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel violated.
Okay, do I have everyone's attention? Gabe? Thank you. Okay, remember this is the 4 essences. Cody? Remember this jogs your memory, okay? So if we get stuck about how to start a sentence, we can always use the 4 essence inquiry. And what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be doing a prior knowledge activity. Cody? We're going to be doing a prior knowledge activity, and then we're going to be doing gathering data information activity. These will be up, they're up on the wall, they're also going to be up here, okay? But most of you are beyond that now. Okay, prior knowledge. So, go ahead and write prior knowledge as your title. Put today's date, the 23rd. Prior knowledge. Okay, remember I need your date and the heading. So you're gonna brainstorm by yourself. This is individual rights. Think of a scientist you have learned about, heard about, or met in person. Describe in detail the scientists you know and or heard of. Explain what you think they do. Any knowledge of that individual. You can draw pictures or write as much as you know. Okay, you're gonna get 2 minutes, this is individual right, and then we're gonna go into table talk, questions.
Can we write about Bill Nye the scientist?
Is he a scientist?
Yeah, the scientist.
Then write that down.
Real nice.
Prior knowledge, so don't ask me questions, I want to know what you know. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, begin, 2 minutes. I'm gonna put it on my phone.
Yeah.
And I can't put it on my phone because we're recording. Okay, 2 minutes, write down scientists you know, what they think they did, draw pictures, this is just prior
Crazy
knowledge.
Russian hacker.
Okay,
Bill Nye.
so 2 minutes.
Don't write about him, dog. Don't copy him.
Go to him.
Really?
Make your story.
Did we call?
Shut up, clown.
Think time, should be quiet. Let everyone think.
Boots.
Okay, describe the scientist, anything you know. This is to jog your memory of what you might know already know. Run 30 more seconds, it's pretty fast. Anything down that you know? Write down the person you just told me. That's something, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna table talk. So if you don't have anything down in your notebook, that's fine. Maybe your table mate does. Start talk. So I'm gonna give you guys 3 minutes. Talk about the question at hand. Scientists, describe them. So go ahead and talk at your table. I'm gonna give you three minutes. Share your information with your person next to you. Okay, go ahead and begin.
I chose
Okay.
Crazy Russian hacker.
Okay,
Oh, that's a
He
sick.
does a lot of different stunts.
Ernesto, what do you have for your prior knowledge? What scientist you want to share?
Bill Nye.
Robert?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Bill Nye.
Bill Nye. So what do you know about Bill Nye?
He's a
He
science guy.
explains almost everything about Earth and does experiments with different kinds of elements.
Okay, talk to your table mate. Okay, talk to your table mate. Who do you know? Maybe it's just pictures at this point. That's fine.
Kind of keeps like.
Okay, get quiet. So are you telling me you're done? Okay. Who wants to share out? Who can name a scientist that they know in their prior knowledge? Ernesto, I know you wrote someone down. Who did you write down?
Bill Nye.
Bill Nye. Okay, if you don't have that, jot that down. This is where we're revisiting our writing. Okay, someone else. Do they know a scientist? Who else?
Cody.
Okay. No one else? Bless you.
I don't know his real name, but
Okay.
he goes by the Crazy Russian hacker.
Okay, write that down then.
That's sick.
The crazy.
Okay, you don't know his.
I don't know.
If I Google that,
Yeah,
would
yeah.
his real name come
He has a
up?
channel.
He has a YouTube channel where he does like things with dry ice, liquid nitrogen.
Okay.
Write
Write that
He's
down
a lot
then.
of experience.
Okay. Does anyone want to share maybe what does a scientist do?
Talk about science.
Make math.
Let's be school appropriate.
Maybe.
Let's be school appropriate. What do scientists do?
They teach us about Earth.
They
and
find new
universe.
cures. to
Okay,
different-
one
They
person
find
at a time.
answers.
They find answers.
They find like cures and different like diseases and like different kinds of like germs. You know how like there's different germs like when you put it in the telescope?
Right.
Research of our past
Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay, awesome job. Okay, so that was a prior knowledge. Now let's go to the next slide here. Okay, this is the heart of our activity today. Okay, so gathering information and data, you do not need to put that into your notebooks. I just need active listeners at this point. Right, Luis? I don't wanna take your phone away, but I will.
I don't either.
Okay, then put it away from me, thank you. Okay, so your task, you're already in your assigned groups. You're gonna be reading and creating a poster in order to inform your peers about your scientist. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we are not gonna do anything new. When you get your scientist in the 3 groups, you're each gonna have a different scientist. Okay, we are gonna do activity, Robert, active listener. We are gonna do activity that's called Jigsaw. Okay, is anybody familiar with that activity?
Jigsaw?
Yeah, Jigsaw.
It's a puzzle, isn't it? Jigsaw puzzle?
Well, it's a puzzle, so how would we do a jigsaw with a writing, with a reading?
I don't like that.
Like, write down different types of facts. Like when
Yes and no. You're sort of right. Okay, so here is a scientist, Edwin Hubble, okay? I have numbered the sections. So most of you are in groups of 2, okay? There's 4 sections, there's 5 sections. So 2 of you are gonna split up the sections. You're not gonna read the whole article, okay? So if Robert and Ernesto has Edwin Hubble as our scientist, they're gonna decide, okay, I'm gonna take, okay, if I'm Robert, and he goes, you know what, Ernesto, I wanna take section 1, 2, and 3. Can you read sections 4 and 5? Robert is only annotating, highlighting sections 1, 2, and 3. Ernesto is highlighting information from 4 and 5. Does that make sense? Okay? And that's called a jigsaw. You're not reading the whole article, you're jigsawing it. Okay? So that is one example. Now, annotating. We're highlighting still what surprises you, the wow, something you didn't know about this scientist. And also, this information needs to be included. Okay? Discoveries, including theories about our understanding of the universe, such as a heliocentric view. Now, we talked about the heliocentric view a while ago when we did our writing-based assessment, okay? Can someone remember what they think the heliocentric view is about? That's a while ago, so it is a stretch. No? Okay. Remember, the heliocentric view was what Nicholas Copernicus thought, that the Earth, the planet, and the stars revolved around the sun. Remember that? Okay, remember when we did our investigating 2 writing assignment to see where your baseline writing assessment was?
Yes.
Okay, so he talked about the heliocentric view. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, also, who and what changed their thinking. So if someone gets Ptolemy as a scientist, okay, and someone gets Copernicus, okay, Copernicus changed his thinking. He didn't agree with Ptolemy. Write that down. Okay, so that's the first part. I'm hoping we can get through the annotating. Once your group is done annotating, you're gonna come up and get a poster and markers. You are gonna, on the very top, label your scientist name. Edwin Hubble, Nicholas Copernicus, okay? You are gonna write date of birth and date of death if they passed on. Then from your summary, what you annotated, the highlights, you're gonna write that in a summary statement or one big paragraph. This is where you and your partner are gonna need to come together and agree, okay, I wanna put this one here, this sentence, okay, then I'm gonna put my section right underneath yours. I'm gonna give you free rein. There's no right or wrong way in designing your poster. So, I'm gonna go back to Edwin Hubble, okay? So the very first section, okay, was here. It's very short, Cody. Okay, section 2. Okay, the very heading says early life and education. Now, if you want to do summary statements like we're used to, write, if Robert had section 2, he might want to write on his poster, early life and education, and summarize it, what you highlighted. You do not have to do that. If you just want to do one big paragraph on your poster, you can. But if you want to get a little bit organized, you could do that. Okay? Are there any questions right now before I let you guys go with your annotating? No questions?
No.
Okay, so this is what I need you guys to do. Cameron, can you do me a favor? Can you press out highlighters for me? Okay. Robert. I'm gonna give you Edwin Hubble. Okay?
What happened to these? What happened to these? You spam them together.
What? Oh, I can put them in your notebook later. Galileo. And I'm gonna give you 3 Copernicus. Okay? Okay, so what you're gonna do, talk amongst your group members. Guys, bring it in for me. Talk among your group members and decide what sections you wanna take. So everyone look at their reading on our scientists and see how many sections there is. Okay, it's gonna, most of them have around 5 sections, some have 4. Okay, so decide among your table mates pretty quick, because I want this done, okay, and get everything on poster board, okay, by the end of class.
Can I go to the bathroom real quick?
Okay? Yes, thank you for asking.
Can I get water after you come back?
No, because we just had lunch,
How can we get to that?
okay?
You get
So, Nicholas Copernicus, how many sections are there?
I checked up.
4, is that what it says? Okay, look right here.
I checked up.
5 sections, so you got 3 of you. So decide what sections you guys want to take. Okay, there's 5 sections, so split them up. One, probably 2, 2, and 1. Okay, you guys decide. Okay, then read your section and annotate. Okay, how many sections in Galileo? 5. So someone's gonna have 3 sections, right? Another person's gonna have 2. Talk about specifically, I want to take 1, 3, and 5. I want to take 1, 2, and 3. So you guys aren't reading the same sections. Okay? So talk amongst yourself. Okay? Robert, how many sections? 5? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna cut you guys loose. I really guys want you guys to annotate and put everything down on poster today. Tomorrow we are gonna do a gallery walk around all the posters, and then you're gonna write in your notebook each scientist. Okay? Questions? Okay, guys, go to it. Down below, let's stay focused. I don't want you to focus on your fidget.
Alright.
Okay?
Hey, can I go to the bathroom and come back?
Yes. Okay? And I have time-wise, I'm gonna leave this up real fast. It is 12:37. We might not have time, but I think you guys can get most through the reading and start your poster. Okay?